is playing Ram. Ram is playing. Are you confused? Sentences, what are these? क्या होते हैं, right? Sentences वो होते हैं जो group of words से form होते हैं, जिनका formation group of words से होता है, like this. I am going to the market. It is making a sense. इसका कोई meaning बन रहा है, इससे कुछ पता चल रहा है. It gives a complete meaning of the sentence. Second, always starts with the big, or we can say capital letter, like this. Third, always ends with a special mark like full stop, question mark, or exclamation mark. Exclamation mark, and it is starting with the capital letter. Now what about the end? So as we see, I am going to the market. It should ends with a full stop. But why it is so? How do we find a sentence should ends with a full stop or with a question mark or with a... कैसे पता लगाएंगे कि एक सेंटेंस इनमें से किससे फिनिश होएगा? So here I will tell you, I am going to the market. First read the sentence and figure it out a trick. And the trick is, इससे क्या इन्फॉर्मेशन मिल रही है वो हमें सोचना है. ये हमें बता रहा है कि मैं मार्केट जा रहा हूँ. नाउ सी द नेक्स्ट वन. वेयर आर यू गोइंग? आप कहाँ जा रहे हो? लाइक वेयर आर यू गोइंग? दिस सेंटेंस इज आस्किंग यू समथिंग. व्हेन यू रीड समथिंग एंड यू फील लाइक टू आंसर, जब आपने ये सेंटेंस पढ़ा तो आपको लगा इसका कोई जवाब देना है आपको, दैट मीन्स इट्स अ क्वेश्चन. ओके, तो इसके पीछे हम लगाएंगे क्वेश्चन मार्क. एंड जो सेंटेंस हमें इंफॉर्मेशन दे रहा है, हमें बता रहा है या कोई नॉलेज दे रहा है, जब कोई सेंटेंस हम रीड करें या सुने और हमें फील हो कि इसका आंसर देना चाहिए, दैट मीन्स वो क्वेश्चन है और उसके एंड में क्वेश्चन मार्क लगेगा. नाउ सी एक्सक्लेमेशन मार्क. वाओ, दैट्स ग्रेट, और वी कैन से वाओ, दैट्स ग्रेट. सो exclamatory mark or exclamation mark can come here or at the end of the strong emotion what we are expressing. So let's revise it quickly. Where to put full stop, where to put question mark, and where to put exclamation mark. Full stop हम वहाँ लगाएंगे जहाँ पे भी वी फील कि हमें कोई इन्फॉर्मेशन मिली है किसी सेंटेंस के थ्रू. क्वेश्चन मार्क हम वहाँ लगाएंगे where we feel कि we should answer something. When we read a sentence and we feel to answer something, that means it's a question. Exclamation mark हम वहाँ लगाएंगे where we feel कि there is an expression. So children, sentences have two parts. Statements that we call declarative sentences, questions that we call interrogative. Those sentences which declares, which tells you something. Interrogative which asks you something. Inquiry जो करते हैं. So children, let's quickly do this exercise and understand better. We always need to read the instruction carefully so that we need to do as answers. Give the following sentences a finishing touch by adding full stop or question marks. Then write S for statements and Q for questions. Like we have already read what statements are and what are the questions. I am going to the market. It is telling you something. ये सेंटेंस आपको कुछ बता रहा है. क्या इन्फॉर्मेशन दे रहा है कि मैं मार्केट जा रहा हूँ. आई एम गोइंग टू द मार्केट. सो it's S. It's a S statement. Is there any cake left in the fridge? क्या कोई केक फ्रिज में बची हुई है? It's a question. ये पूछ रहा है. So it's a question. We are going to Agra tomorrow. So it is giving information again. Like we are going to Agra tomorrow. हम कल आगरा जा रहे हैं. Again it's a statement. Alexander Graham Bell invented the telephone. So it is again an information कि Alexander Graham Bell ने टेलीफोन का इन्वेंशन किया था. So it's a statement. Then see the sentence. How old are you? It is asking you something. It is asking your age. So it is asking. So that's why it is a question. What is your favorite color? It is very simple to understand that it is asking your favorite color. Again it is asking means ये पूछ रहा है. अगर ये पूछ रहा है कुछ, that means it's a question. Understood? ओके चिल्ड्रन, सो टिल नाउ हमने सीखा कि सेंटेंस कैसे कैसे होते हैं. सेंटेंस वो होते हैं जो हमें कुछ बताते हैं, जिनको हम स्टेटमेंट सेंटेंसेस कहते हैं या डिक्लेरेटिव सेंटेंसेस कहते हैं. और सेंटेंसेस वो होते हैं जो हमसे कुछ पूछते हैं, जिसे हम क्वेश्चंस कहते हैं या फिर इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंस कहते हैं. राइट. पर सेंटेंस के दो मेजर पार्ट होते हैं. हम यूं कह सकते हैं कि वो सेंटेंस के मेन टू पार्ट्स, एक हीरो और उसका एक्शन. ओके, हीरो को हम ग्रामेटिकल लैंग्वेज में कहते हैं सब्जेक्ट, एंड एक्शन को हम कहते हैं प्रेडिकेट. Hero, subject, action, predicate. Let's take the sentence. Ram is playing. So Ram here in the sentence is the hero. Is the subject, we can say. And the action that is playing is the action, or we can say the predicate. Like balloons are colorful. The balloons is the subject, the hero, the naming part of the sentence, and are colorful is the action part, like something which is told about the hero. Hero के बारे में ये जो information है, that is the action, that is the predicate, which tells something about what the hero is doing and something about the hero. Like it is telling how the hero is. The hero is balloons and the balloons are colorful. So children, let's quickly wrap up and revise. What are sentences? Sentences are a group of words. They start with capital letter and ends with full stop. Like Ram is playing. It is ending with full stop and starting with the capital letter, and it has a sense. इसकी कोई sense बनती है, इसका कोई meaning है. Okay. Then next, what is Ram doing? It's a question. Ram क्या कर रहा है? So there is a question mark at the end. Let's answer this. Ram is playing football. Now we can add some exclamation mark. Like, wow, so nice. Wow, so nice. And put a exclamation mark. Okay, children. Now understand the subject and the predicate. Subject is the hero, the naming part of the sentence. And the predicate is the action part and the part that tells about the naming part. Okay? Let's understand this with some sentences. Rohan and Vivek are cousins. So Rohan and Vivek are the naming part, the heroes of the sentence. Right? And our cousins, it's a related information कि ये है कौन, ये क्या कर रहे हैं. Okay, so this information is about this, about both of them. So this is the predicate and this is the subject. Two cute puppies. So here the naming part, the hero part is the cute puppies, two cute puppies. What they did or what they do, chased each other. So these two cute puppies chased each other. So this part, this naming part, the doer part, the hero part is the subject, and what is being done in the subject, what is being done in the sentence is the predicate, the action part. My parents. So it's a naming thing, naming part, a hero part of the sentence. Drives a red car. So a car cannot drive itself. So that means it's a predicate part, it's an action. If we talk about this, is watching a movie. So that means someone is there to watch this movie. So that someone will be the hero part, will be the naming part or the subject of the sentence, and is watching a movie, that is an action, is the predicate of the sentence. So children, leave your questions in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Pravita Ma'am.